have you heard about mind renovation before? Yes, you heard me well. The same way you can renovate your home because it's too old, you can also renovate your mind so you can live a better life. Do you want me to tell you how? Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, hello. My name is 𝐑𝐢𝐠𝐡. I am a confidence and mindset coach. I am a mom, a wife, and a former stay-at-home mom. My mission as a coach is to empower women over 40 to build unshakable confidence, overcome limiting beliefs with ease, and achieve extraordinary success so they can live the life of their dreams. Today, we are going to talk about the mind renovation. Yes, the same way you can renovate your home because it's too old, it's the same way you can also renovate your mind to remove old beliefs so you can live a better life. If you find this topic interesting, then keep on watching. The Mind Renovation is a little series that I have created where I break down into episodes how you can deal with your mind, how you can deal with negativities and all of those things. And I'm going to be comparing everything with a house that you are remodeling so you can understand better. So welcome to the first episode of the Mind Renovation series. The first episode of this little series is called Blueprinting Your Mind. Imagine you're about to renovate your home right now. Would you start without getting a plan? Probably not. You need to have a clear vision of what the house will look like after you finish. So, this plan and this guide that you need, we call it blueprint. So how can we apply that blueprint to our mind? Just like a house, our minds can also benefit from a renovation, especially if we are stuck on old and rusty thoughts that no longer serve us. The first step in our mental renovation is to create a plan, to create a blueprint on how we are going to proceed. What does blueprinting the mind really means? It's simple. It's all about evaluating your mind right now, your current mind right now, and then designing a plan on how you want your mind to work in the future. When you decide to renovate your home, before you even think about the plan, the first thing you do is to look around to see what needs to be changed, what are you going to keep, or what are you going to remove or replace completely. This is the same thing with our minds. So before we go deeper into that mind renovation, the first thing we need to do is to take a moment and analyze our minds to see what beliefs are in there. Are they positive? Are they negative? Are they dragging us down like a leaky roof? All those questions you're going to have to ask yourself so you can determine what is exactly that you're going to tackle on. So this little inspection will help you really evaluate where your mind is now and what changes you need to bring or you need to make. So after this little inspection, if you realize that your house has a leaky roof, you will plan on fixing it, right? This is the same thing with your mind. So if you realize that you have old beliefs that no longer serve you in there, or anything negative that are dragging you down, the first step is to design a plan on how we are going to remove them and replace them with more empowering thoughts. Doing that little inspection, you might also realize that there is a room in a house that is too small and you don't like it anymore. And you decide that you're going to make it bigger, right? Remodel it and make it bigger. So this is the same thing that we can do with our mind as well. If we realize that our mind is a little bit too small because all those limiting beliefs, squeezing in there. There is no space for anything, good in there. So we are going to design a plan so we can remove those limiting beliefs so we can make space for a positive mindset. I also want you to keep in mind that blueprinting the mind doesn't mean that you are going to design a perfect plan at first. Just like you are renovating your home, you might have a plan in your hand and starting with the renovation, and then as you go deeper and you realize along the way that there is something that needed to be changed that you haven't realized before, and that's okay. You can just go and tackle on it. So now this is the same thing with our mind. It's not guarantee that we are going to put our fingers on whatever is bothering us right away. It takes some time. So, and that's okay. It's just about taking action today and start with that little inventory, so you can realize what is happening in your mind right now, what is not working, what is blocking you, and then you start tackle on it. So now along the way, we definitely are going to find more things that needs to be changed, and that's okay. The thing is, you just need to take action right now and start designing that plan so we can start that renovation pretty soon. So if you've been watching my videos for a moment, you must know by now that I love to take a minute to acknowledge you guys and ask you some questions. So question for you today, are you ready to renovate your mind? If you have already started, where exactly in the journey are you? Write your comment down below. I would love to hear from you as usual. I'm taking this moment as well to invite you to share, like, and subscribe. It's okay to share my videos with people who think might benefit from them. If you are looking for a coach to help you cope with some challenges in life, I am a confidence and mindset coach. Go ahead and book a free assessment call with me so we can determine if I am a good coach for you or if we are a good fit for each other. If you are a jewelry lover just like me, click the link of my boutique down below to shop. And I am sure that you're going to find something that fits your need. If you are a jewelry lover, but you prefer to shop on Poshmark, that's okay. No hard feeling. I am there too. Go ahead and click the Poshmark link down below and join me there. So now I am going to summarize for you guys what exactly blueprinting the mind is. I know that I've been going back and forth with house and mind, house, mind, house, mind. But blueprinting the mind involves understanding your current mindset, determine what changes need to be done, and create a plan of action for you to start tackle on those changing. All right, thank you so much for watching. As usual, it was a pleasure recording this little video for you guys. Like I said, this is episode 1 of the Mind Renovation Series. This is 𝐑𝐢𝐠𝐴, always empowering you to unleash your inner sparkle. Now is your time to shine. Let's shine together. Until next time.